What's going on, everyone? So like I said last week, I'm going to be telling you guys where I'm going, and this video is actually kind of we're going to test this toolbox out because I bought it for this trip because I have 50 pounds of tools inside the toolbox. I'll include a photo right here, and as you can see, there's quite a bit inside this box. It's a DeWALT Toolbox. This is not a paid sponsorship, but it says guaranteed tough lifetime warranty. So we're gonna go to the airport and test how tough it is because, well, what's tougher than an airport? So let's hit the road. Alright, well, bags are checked. I'm through TSA, and the lady at the check-in already threw the toolbox on the conveyor belt, which was kind of funny. She's like, boom! And, well, tools sounded like they got rattled, but we'll see what the box looks like when I land. Anyways, gotta go to our gate and wait. So we made it down to our location. Sorry about the wind noise. I'm actually on top of 25 stories. It's a 24-story building, but these top units here are actually 2 floors. So being on top of the roof, it's actually like 25 stories. I'm trying to stay in the corner to minimize wind noise. But the toolbox made it through TSA, made it through the whole flight, and pretty much came out with no damage, which was awesome because none of my tools had damage, which was even better because I don't want them to have damage. And well, gonna start working on stuff down here. And well, let me just tell you guys, I'm in Puerto Rico. Yep, that's right. Took a trip. I'm actually helping a family member out, working on their place that they bought because it needs some work. So I'm gonna be working in paradise, basically. I'm gonna share some views with you guys here. I'll get myself out of the frame. So we got the whole ocean right there, bunch of buildings. It's gonna be a fun time. And if you guys want to see kind of like what I'm doing down here, let me know down below in the comment section. Otherwise, I probably won't be making too many videos while I am down here. Yes, so that is why I was saying goodbye to the truck. And it is at home with my parents. And I did give them strict instructions not to let anybody drive it and not for them to drive it. But if it really comes down to it, they can take it if they really need it. I'm kind of particular about my vehicles. Call me weird, yes. Go for it, but otherwise, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't, go ahead and give it a dislike. But let me know what I can improve on for next video. And as always, if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to that channel. I greatly appreciate it. And who knows, maybe I'll just take you guys for some adventures while I'm down here and while I'm having fun while I work. Because I'm going to be changing this out. All this is just going to be enclosed roof like over there. So, but otherwise, I will catch you guys later. So, bye.